in that chair. I'll attend to them shortly. Excuse me, for a moment. No, that won't do at all. I want the statue much bigger. Don't carpet me about delays. I'll send you a couple of thousand more workers. Sorry to have kept you waiting. Please, have a snack. Your enthusiasm at the meeting touched me deeply. I wish all of my followers would show the same devotion. Now, tell me all you know about this divine cocktail, and I'll tell you about my great plans for you.
Served in oyster sauce.
Excuse me, just a moment. First, we will have to obtain the recipe. Then you can eat them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to scare you little snacks. Oh, I mean, guys, you little guys. I love little critters.
All right, that's enough. Have some candy.
Candy? Thanks, boss. Yummy.
Now, where was I? Oh, yes, of course. The bottle.
Give it back, it's ours.
Pull it.
But we
had it first.
We need it to become human again.
We're not really honest.
That's right. You are something special. I saw that right away. This is a great opportunity for a bright like you. There's no limit to what we could accomplish together if you help me now. Just tell me how to get some more of this magical brew.
I don't know how. The professor drowned. We lost the bottle. He's the only one who knows how. But I'm telling the truth. You have the only potion left.
This will give you time to think about things, and to make sure you think without distractions. I'm going to remove your little pet and send it to the work camp.
Sasha, no!
What do you want from us?
The truth. By tomorrow morning. Or else. Your shark bait.
Oh, I love snacks.